How to swap crypto in Binance Web3 wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by clicking on profile on the top left and click on this more services. Then click on this Web3 wallet. If you cannot find, simply click on the search icon on the top and search for Web3 wallet and go for it, and this is going to take you to another page. The interface is kind of like similar but with some different interface, so you just need to click on swap, which is on the bottom of your screen. So simply click on it, and as you can see we have options to choose from, so simply click on it and then you're just gonna need to select your network. So if you want to go with BNB, you just gonna need to select, otherwise you can go with any other network and crypto coin. So once you have selected, you just gonna need to select your two section, and once you have selected that, make sure to remember that once you have selected your network, you cannot change the two section. As you can see, the two section or the receiving token will going to be in the same network. So you just need to simply enter the amount. Once you have entered the amount, this is going to give you some options. So click on the provider and make sure to select your particular provider that is giving you the best rate, and then click on the OK button, and then you just gonna need to initiate the transaction, and you will going to receive your swap coin into your Binance wallet. So that's the way of how you can swap crypto in Binance Web3 wallet.